2022 Yamaha R7 brand new exhaust. We got the SC Project CRT exhaust, and we're gonna test this thing out for the first time. Woo! Oh my god, it's so much better. What's going on, guys? Motonosity here, and we're about to have a fun time. This is the first time that I am sitting on this bike with this new exhaust, and oh my goodness. Oh, it's so much better. So much better. Bike is gonna have to learn this exhaust a little bit, hopefully. So we still got the O2 sensor hooked up on here. There's only one. It'll do what it can do. We're gonna need an ECU flash on here or some sort of piggyback unit to fully take advantage of an aftermarket exhaust on here, but we'll do with it what we can right now, okay? Let's just rip it. Let's just send it, bro.
Now, fellows, and Lord knows there's a lot of you guys, you and I both know a well-kept yard is the key to a great-looking home. Take it from me, I'm the only house on the street that still has green grass. And yes, that was a yard flex. Well, Manscaped.com, our sponsor for today, is here to keep your hedges trimmed, your garden clean, and your front patio smelling like pure success. I'm sure you guys have heard about Manscaped before, and they've sent me their new performance package that includes their latest trimmer, the Lawnmower 4.0. It's waterproof, it's cordless, it wirelessly charges, so it's always ready to go. Now it's even got a built-in headlight, so you can cruise through the bush and not get lost. The package also comes with the crop preserver and crop reviver, so you can keep things fresh. And for a limited time, with my code and link down in the description, you guys get 2 free gifts: their shed travel bag and a pair of the Manscaped anti-chafing boxer briefs. You want more? You can now get their Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer, or their Shears 2.0 nail kit, so you guys can keep fresh from head to toe. So treat your landscape to Manscaped and use the code Motonosity at manscaped.com to get yourself 20% off, free international shipping, those 2 free gifts. And if you're still not sold, all Manscaped products have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead, click that link down in the description, use code Motonosity, get 20% off, free shipping. Let's go check out that bike.
You know what? This is kind of surprising. I was fully expecting this exhaust to be just like unreasonably loud. Don't get me wrong, I love my loud exhausts. That's why I put them on like all of my motorcycles. But sometimes when you put really loud exhausts on bikes that like aren't leader bikes, sometimes they don't sound as good. I will have to preface that statement, even though I'm not prefacing it because I'm saying it after the fact, but I know the MT-07 can sound really good, so I had a feeling that the R7 could sound really good with an aftermarket exhaust. But I was trying to check my expectations with how this thing would be to ride. And most of the time, these CRT exhausts, I love the sound, but they are very loud. Like, there's a type of person that wants this type of exhaust. This is not too loud. Like, my ears don't hurt. And I'm not wearing earplugs. I usually ride with earplugs just because I'm trying not to go deaf, okay? This is a solid sounding exhaust without earplugs, and my ears don't hurt. Beginners are probably going to really like the slipper clutch on this bike. I know this has nothing to do with the exhaust, but the slipper clutch on this bike is very forgiving. Like, downshifts are a little bit too, the downshifts are really, really smooth, and but like almost too smooth. What road am I on? Okay. I had to figure out what road that I took. Whenever I'm vlogging in an area that I'm not 100% familiar with, I always miss turns. Man, I'm really happy with this. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know what's going on, I'm Motonosity. This is the Moto R7 build that I'm doing in collaboration with Motivation USA. They sell a bunch of different motorcycle parts. I'll put the link down in the description. But we thought the R7 would be a fun bike to do. Not a whole lot of people have them. Not a whole lot of people are making parts specific for the R7. And we really wanted to test out a lot of different parts that are already available for the R3, the R1, the R6, and the MT-07. So this week we installed the SC Project CRT exhaust that's made for the 2014 to 2020 MT-07. We would have done the 2021 version that SC Project came out with, but they're not shipping it yet. There are a couple areas where there's a little bit interference, but otherwise it's a direct fitting exhaust. And if you want to see the install of that and the full like off-bike sound test that we did, I'll link the video down in the description along with the build series playlist so you guys can see everything that we're doing to this bike in the future. But yeah, I've tried to be super like upfront, honest, and transparent with my feelings about the R7. I think it is a very, very good option for certain people. But as someone who basically daily rides leader bikes, it is not a super fast motorcycle. And stock, it's just not the most exciting thing to ride. But a lot of that I felt had to do with the exhaust. This bike with the stock exhaust is probably one of the most quiet bikes that I've ridden. And it just takes away a lot of the experience of riding a motorcycle. It feels like a different bike. Like, it actually feels like the experience of riding a motorcycle now and not just riding like a scooter. Granted, a very fast scooter, but but yeah, I was feeling that all this thing really needed was an exhaust and then, you know, a flash or a piggyback unit or something like that to wake it up a little bit and let its personality out. And this exhaust has absolutely done that. It's a real throaty sounding exhaust, like really deep. It doesn't sound particularly raspy or like it's creating a sound out of an engine that shouldn't be making that sound. Sometimes you get that with lower displacement bikes where you put on an exhaust and it's like, okay, yeah, it's louder, but right in the middle of the power band, like around like 6,500, 7,000 RPM, then I get a little tickle in my ear. I was curious how this exhaust was going to sound in comparison to my R1 because I have the same kind of exhaust on it, this SC Project CRT. Which, if you want to go see, I'll, you know, throw that down in the description as well. You can watch my first ride on that bike with that exhaust. But I was curious if it was going to sound similar or not. It does a little bit. Every bike sounds different, so even if you're putting the same exhaust on a different bike, you're not going to get the exact same sound. But like I said, this has the 2014 to 2020 MT-07 exhaust. And when the 2021 exhaust comes in, we're going to throw that on here, see if it resolves the couple of interference issues that we had with this exhaust. You know what this kind of sounds like? There's a little bit of an essence. But I used to have an E46 M3, and the sound on that car with an aftermarket exhaust sounds a little bit like this. Sounds a little bit like that. Some of you are probably going to tell me I'm crazy, but I can hear it. I promise you. I'm telling you guys, aftermarket exhaust, like an absolute must when you get your bike. I'm not telling you have to get this one, but you gotta get something. These things are just so incredibly restricted, and the stock exhaust just looks so boring. I'm pretty sure I'm the first person to put this exhaust on this bike and like say something about it. Thought you were a cop for a second, but you're not. There we go. As far as YouTube's concerned, this is the world's first. By the way, we've been hitting a ton of daily 100s in this video. If you want to get any of my daily 100 merch, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I will say I do like the merch that I had made. But you can find all of that at motonosity.com. I'll put a link down below. Weather's starting to get a little bit colder. I got hoodies if you want to keep warm and be stylish at the same time. Let's go down this road. See what's this way. These are bumps. Those are lots of bumps. Glad I slowed down for that. Jeez. I was really hoping that the sun would come out today. I mean, it kind of has. It's been cloudy all day. Nice and cool though. I took the top off the Jeep. One of the best parts about owning a Jeep. Easy top removal. Always got to appreciate easy top removal. Those are some lime green trash cans. Goodness me. Are you guys liking this exhaust? Like, I know I'm on the bike, and I have a little bit different of an experience given that I'm not listening to this through a GoPro, through YouTube processing. But what do you guys think of it? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, can I go around you? What's kind of fun about riding this bike is it doesn't have a quick shifter, so I like going back to actually doing clutchless shifting. It's fun. All of us are spoiled these days with every bike coming with a quick shifter now. Dude, this straight up looks like the Windows XP background. What up, cows? You looked. I saw you. Don't act like you're not impressed. I saw you look. We got a lot of exciting stuff to come. We are going to be changing the color on this thing. We are going to be doing a ECU flash, piggyback unit, dyno tune, some combination of the above, among a lot of other things. So if you guys want to be a part of that, see what we do to this bike, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn on post notifications, and do me a favor, guys. You know, like right below the video, there's something that looks like a hand. It looks like a hand, but it's like this. Can you go ahead and click that button for me? Oh, it sounds so good. Before we get to the final run on the highway with this thing, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, hit that like button if you could do that for me, and subscribe if you do want to get any of that Daily 100 merch or any of my other merch that I still have. Motonosity.com is where you get it. But let's go take this thing to the highway. Come on, people. Let's go. Well, that's going to be it, guys. Y'all been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next one.